Okay, so this is just a quick video looking at this problem on increasing, decreasing constant, and then the domain. So it asks where it is increasing, and you can tell right away that you have an up here and up here. So we are interested in what the x range is for these two pieces. So if I go from here, hot down, they're at -5, and then draw down here. So this should be -5 is correct, but it should stop at -2. And then it says this part, if I go down, starts at 6, that's correct. Down, ends at 9. These are always open intervals. Never close them because constant decreasing and increasing doesn't have really any real meaning at an endpoint. So you want to make sure that you're always are closing them or keeping them open intervals. That's why it says open intervals in the problem. All right, so this one is correct. When is it decreasing? And if you look, it goes from -1 down to 6. The function is constant at which interval? This right here, it goes from -7 to -5. So this number right here should be a -5. And then it asks for the domain. Now, a domain, you do want to use brackets. We're starting at -7. We go all the way through, well defined at 5, all the way through to 2. Then we have a gap. We're defined at 2, but not between 2 and 1. There's a big gap there. So it's -7 to -2. Close that. Union. And now we go from -1, inclusion of the -1. And it just is continuous all the way to 9, including 9. So these are brackets because we are including them. Right. Hope that's helpful. Have a great night.